Hello and welcome to the Hardison Cochran podcast. In today's episode, Ben Cochran is going to answer a very common question concerning workers' compensation. And that question is, when will my payments begin? And now, Ben Cochran.
When an employee gets injured on the job and they're taken out of work by their employer, or if they're provided light duty restrictions, which the employer cannot provide, then a calendar begins in terms of disability. In North Carolina, the statutes state that an individual has to be out of work for 7 calendar days prior to receiving temporary total disability benefits. So practically speaking, that means that once you've been out of work for 7 days, it's the next 7 days when you become eligible for benefits. So it's really the 14th day where they become due and payable by the insurance company. Now, once you've been out of work for 21 days, then the insurance company will provide the first 7 calendar days back to the disabled individual.
Listening to this podcast does not create an attorney-client relationship between you and Hardison and Cochran attorneys at law. Hardison and Cochran does not accept new clients without first obtaining a signed agreement. The information shared in this podcast is for information purposes and should not be intended or taken as legal advice as to yours or anyone else's legal matter. If you have a legal matter, contact an attorney about your specific set of circumstances.